5.
Don't do it, Ryan.
Okay.
They got pulled. Go, go, go. Lust. Need to spread range.
If you pre-spread, you don't have to do it later.
Kinetic bomb. Hunters.
Spread.
Vortex.
Spread.
And that's what happens when you don't spread. You get knocked. So let's spread now.
Matt, can you move? Thank you.
It's gonna
When's
switch
this?
soon. Target switch soon.
Spread.
Spread. Stay spread. Stay spread. It's Tal'Darim.
Oh.
I'm
Now we
getting
group-
everybody in that middle spot.
Try to pull them back onto the stairs, Sasha, and raid stack in the middle.
Okay.
Range back up.
Like I said,
Back vortex on shot, Sasha. Move.
I gave you a basic path to where to run. You're just gonna have to look at the spread to,
Yeah,
Oh.
no, I'm just
thing.
letting you know. Like,
yeah, no, it's
Look
alright.
soon.
We'll figure it out.
Poke the orb. Head it to the door.
Okay, you got a lot of melee through it, so you're good.
Okay. I'm gonna be fine.
Fire AM one out. We have a nucleus
Mass
on,
dispel. Mass dispel.
tank side.
Okay.
New orb. New orb. Head it to the door. On me again.
Misdirect Tog.
Jar fire aim.
Alright. It's Shadow Boss.
Don't hit these orbs.
That was an orb hitting the ground. That's what it looks like, guys.
Shock
Hit
vortex
Peltest.
is somewhere.
Don't hit the orbs.
Sham, you can't hit these.
Yep, single target,
Yeah.
guys.
Dispels. Keep Tog up.
Shock vortex somewhere.
Soak this orb.
Yeah, hunters, I do not care about your damage on this fight whatsoever.
Okay.
Keep those orbs off the ground.
If you see white swirly, get away.
Get Tog up.
Dog's
Wag,
dead.
wag, pick up Shadow Boss if you can. Just for a second.
Empowered fireball.
Empowered. Kite it to the back. Soak the orb. Wag kite it.
Jar wall.
I got Sasha with Sack. I do not have fire AM for this empowered ball. Kinetic bomb spawn.
Orb.
Take care of it. I'll take care of
Orb.
Soak this
Vortex on
range.
Melee
Sasha.
soak. Oh, I couldn't help
Done.
with that one.
It's right
I
next
don't
to
know how
the
many people
boss.
that went to.
it. AM's up.
I lived.
Good job.
I thought I clipped it. Moving back towards.
Mass dis.
Okay. Finish boss. Finish boss. Dead. Nicely done. Okay. Super chaotic, but